So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin ang fractions. So ano nga ba yung fractions? A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. It represents just a part of a whole. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya buo. Parte lamang siya ng isang buo. So for example, we have a pizza. No? And then yung pizza, hinatin natin sa 8 slices. Then, kinuha natin yung dalawa. So, ang matitira na lang is 6/8. So, bale, yung 6/8, that is a fraction. Bale, normally, ang fraction has 2 parts. Okay, so we have the numerator, which is yung makikita natin sa taas ng linya. And then, meron din tayong denominator, which is nandun naman sa baba ng linya. Okay, so ano nga ba yung numerator? So, numerator, it is the equal parts that are taken of a whole. So, ito yung kinukuha bilang parte ng isang buo. Okay, and then we have the denominator. It is the total number of equal parts that the whole is divided into. Okay, so ilang parte nga ba equal parts? No? Hinati ang isang buo, and that is the denominator. So, isa example natin kanina sa 6/8 na pizza. Okay, so yung 6 na nasa taas ng line is our numerator. And then yung 8 na nasa baba ng line is our denominator. Iba't ibang klase ng fractions meron tayo. So, we have the proper and improper. Meron din tayong mixed at equivalent. So, sa proper fraction, okay, mas mababa yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Okay, halimbawa, 1/2, 1/3, 2/7, 8/23, or 8/23. Sa improper fractions naman, mas mataas yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Okay, so, for example, 8/3, 4/2, 7/4, 6/1. Ang mixed fraction naman ay may kasamang isang whole number at isang proper fraction. So for example, 3/1/2, 4/5/6, 4/5/8, and 7/4/9. So we have other type of fractions, no, like the like or similar fractions. So pag sinabing like or similar fractions, okay, pare-pareho yung kanilang denominator. Okay, for example, 4/8, 7/8, 9/8, 3, and 1/8. Okay, so pare-parehas ang kanilang denominator, which is the number 8. Sa unlike fractions naman, magkakaiba yung denominator nila. Okay, for example, 5/6, 2/3, 3/4, 2/74. At another type of fraction is equivalent or simplification. Okay, so ito naman, ibig sabihin nun, parehas yung value ng dalawang fraction. Okay, for example, 2/4 and 1/2, 4/8 and 3/6, 1/4 and 5/20, 1/3 and 3/9. So I hope madami kayo natutunan sa video na ito dahil magagamit natin ito sa mga susunod na lessons about fractions. So muli, kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, don't forget to like and subscribe.